How to delete Badoo account. Hey, welcome. So today I'll be teaching you how to delete Badoo account. So if you don't know how to do this, ensure you watch this video till the end. So the first thing you are going to do is to open your Badoo app on your mobile phone, just like I've done here. And once you've opened it, you make sure that your internet connection is strong, so that you'll be able to open the Badoo app. And you take at the top left corner of the screen, you see chats, which means that on the screen right there, you're going to see the chats that you have already on Badoo app. For me, I do not have any chats. That is why you can't see any chats on my screen. At the top right corner of your screen, also, the first icon you're going to see is the activity icon. After the activity icon, you see the notification icon. At the lower part of your screen, you see the chat icon, you see the nearby icon, you see the likes icon, you see the encounter icon with the profile icon. So basically, Badoo app is just about online dating. It's just about taking your relationship to another level, making it online, so you can find your soulmate online using the Badoo app. There are several people that are ready for relationship or dating on Badoo app. So once you click on these people, you check them out, and once they meet your specification, you can just go ahead with an online relationship or dating with the person's agreed consent. So back to the question, how to delete Badoo account. You go back to the lower part of the screen where we have the profile icon. The profile icon is the icon at the extreme end, the last and the fifth icon. You click on it, then you wait for the profile page to load here, and the profile page has been displayed on the screen. The first thing you're going to see at the top left corner of your screen is a round circle, which is meant to show your profile picture, and close to the round circle you're going to see your username on Badoo app. You also see your age. Also at the top right corner of your screen, you see the settings app and the settings icon with the profile icon. Also at the lower part of your screen, after the round circle, you see the box where you can tap to add photos. So if you want to add photos to your Badoo app, you can just click on the box and you'll be directed to your gallery where you pick the particular photo that you want. You can scroll down to see the subscriptions available on Badoo app. So it's you can feel free to explore the page, okay? And now, so back to the question, how to delete Badoo account. You click on the settings icon that is at the top right corner of your screen. The settings icon is before the profile icon. Once you click on it, you wait for it to load, and once it has loaded, here, the first thing you're going to see is your basic info. So your basic info entails your name, your birthday, your gender, and your current location. So now, to delete a Badoo app account, you click on account. The account that has your Gmail address is what you're going to click on. Once you click on it, you see the first option you're going to see here is the option to hide account. So if you want to hide your account, you can click on the box that is just right in front of it. That's if you want to hide it. But if you want to log out, or you want to sign out or delete the Badoo account, you simply see at the lower part of the screen, that's at the middle of the screen, you see two options. You see the sign out option, and you see the forgot password option. So if you want to sign out of that particular Badoo account, you can click on the sign out icon, but just ensure that you don't forget your password, just in case you want to log in back into that account. Okay, at the lower part of the screen, you see the option delete account. So since that's what you want to do, you click on the option delete account. Once you delete the account, once you click on the option, your account will be successfully deleted. So it's very simple, okay? I don't want to click on mine so that I will not delete my account. But if you really want to delete your account, just go to the lower part of the account page where you see the delete account option. You click on it and your account will be deleted. So it's very simple. You can try it out too. So this is simply how to delete Badoo account. I hope you find this video insightful.